In this video, you'll learn how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack. This process allows you to send messages and notifications from external applications directly into your Slack channels, enhancing your team's communication. Begin by navigating to the Slack API page. Open your web browser and enter the URL for the Slack API applications. Once the page loads, you should see a variety of options related to Slack integrations. Next, locate the button labeled Create New App on the page. This button is typically prominently displayed, allowing you to start the process of creating a new application. Click on it to proceed. After that, you will be prompted to select how you want to create your app. Choose the option labeled From Scratch. This selection allows you to build a custom app tailored to your needs. Once you make your selection, you will be required to enter a name for your app. Type in a meaningful name that reflects the purpose of the webhook you are creating. This name will help you identify the app later. Now, you need to select a workspace for your app. Click on the button that says Select a Workspaces should appear, enabling you to choose where the app will be installed. After selecting your workspace, click on the workspace you want to use. This action will take you to the next screen where you can finalize the creation of your app. Click on the button labeled Create App to proceed with the creation process. Upon clicking, the system will process your request and direct you to the app's configuration page. Next, look for the section labeled Incoming Webhooks on the left sidebar of the configuration page. Click on this option to access the webhook settings. Once on the Incoming Webhooks page, you will see a toggle labeled Activate Incoming Webhooks. Click on this toggle to enable the incoming webhook feature for your app. After activating the incoming webhooks, find the toggle that says Off and click on it to switch it to On. This action allows you to add new webhooks to your app. Now, click on the button that reads Add New Webhook. This button will initiate the process of creating a new webhook connection for your selected channel. Next, you will be prompted to select a channel for the webhook. Click on the channel option that appears, which will allow you to specify where the messages should be sent. After selecting the channel, you will see a list of channels. Click on the channel you want to use, which will finalize your selection for the web page destination. Now click on the button labeled Allow to grant the necessary permissions for the webhook connection. This step is crucial for enabling the webhook to send messages to the selected channel. Once permissions are granted, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the process was successful. Click on the Success button to finalize the setup of your incoming webhook. Now you have successfully added an incoming webhook URL on Slack. This integration will allow you to streamline your communication and automate notifications directly to your Slack channels. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.